Next topic is weather and climate. As studied earlier, all the weather phenomena take place in the atmosphere. As I told you earlier, the layer of mesosphere control all weather conditions. So now in the next phase of the chapter, we shall study about the weather and climate. Weather is an ever changing element of our environment, and human life on the earth is influenced more by weather than any other element of the physical environment. So it means weather always attract the attention of human beings, and uh, weather was observed by them, and they also try to predict it. Okay, weather changes day to day. Today, the newspaper, radio, and television report a wide range of weather events regularly. Daily, we get information about the weather. So, they also provide information about the weather condition, like the weather is cloudy, sunny, rainy, likely to occur during the coming days. So, this shows the great importance that the weather condition assumes in our life. Weather also plays an important role in our daily life. In simple word, we can say that the weather is a short run atmospheric. Weather changes daily, so it is a short term process. On the other hand, the climate is a long term process. So, climate and weather are two different terms, but they cannot be interchanged. They are not related to each other. For thousands of years, the scientists have tried to predict the weather. Means before getting the information, the study of weather and its element is known as meteorology, and the scientists who study about the weather are known as meteorologists. So weather keeps changing from hour to hour and from day to day. As I told you earlier, it is a short term process. So weather can be defined as the atmospheric conditions at a given place and a given time. And on the other hand, the climate can be defined as the sum of the weather conditions, because the climate remains more or less unchanged year after year. Climate changes after a long period of time, and the sum of weather conditions over a large area over a long period of time, and it is thus the average weather as well as the variations and the extreme characterizing an area. Students, I am telling you in a simple word what we mean by the weather and what we mean by the climate. Weather is a short term process and short run atmospheric condition that exists for a given time in a specific area. But on the other hand, the climate is the aggregate of day to day weather conditions over a long period of time. Weather is a short term process and climate is a long term process. Weather refers to a particular station, it means a particular area like Jalalabad and Fazilka, Chandigarh. But the climate refers to a large area. It means we can say that the whole region. So the basic elements of weather and climate are temperature, means hotness and coldness of the air, humidity, precipitation, cloudiness, sunshine, pressure, and wind are the most important element. Wind means different type of wind like permanent wind, the seasonal wind, and the local winds, and here a word humidity, the actual amount of the water vapor present in the air is known as the humidity. So these are the most important elements of weather and climate, and at below we will discuss the elements of weather and climate on the basis of the temperature. The only permanent and continuous source of heat on the planet of Earth is the sun. okay, and the sun constantly radiates heat and light in all direction. We already know that sun is the main source of heat because it the temperature occurred due to the presence of the sun. Temperature means the hotness and coldness of the air. So this process of giving our energy by the sun is called the solar radiations. Solar radiations means the solar rays that reaches on the surface of the earth. And here, insolation, the amount of solar radiation received on the earth's surface is called insolation. Insolation means the coming rays of the sun. It means the amount of solar energy received of the earth is called insolation. The amount of solar radiation or solar energy, the same meaning, received on the surface of the earth is called the insolation.